So, Dr. Joel Fuhrman apparently recommends vegans to take 6 types of supplements. Now, this is really getting ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, if you're on a diet and it requires for you to supplement that much, 6 supplements, this is really insane. Absolutely insanity. And any type of diet that requires to do that, it's, that is a deficient diet. End of story. I mean, Vegans have to realize that. Come to terms with the fact that a vegan diet is deficient and you are supposed to supplement. That's it. If you don't supplement, you will suffer. And even if you will supplement properly, you will still suffer, most likely. The failure rate is just ridiculous on a vegan diet. So, yeah, that's just my take on it. So leave a comment and say what you want about it. Yeah. But see you on the next video.